Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make a settings menu using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So first I have to open up VS Code. Go to File, open Folder, Documents, New Folder and name it Settings. Select folder. And before I watch this video, make sure you have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So anyways, make 3 new files: index.html, index.css and index.js. Also make sure you open up your browser. Anyways, in the HTML write HTML5 and then write a H1 that says yay. Copy path, then paste the path in the search bar. Yay. Now that we have this, now we need a way so that, this is just a template. You know what I mean by template. Yeah, this isn't the actual thing I want to make. So now we have to link the CSS. Wait, no. Link rel equals style sheet. href equals index.css. And then create a script. Source equals index.js. Yay. So now what we want in the settings menu is that we want a way to, what do I want to say? We want a way to change the text color, the text size, and lastly the background color. So for that we will need 3 inputs. This input is going to give it an ID of text, color. Oh yeah, and make sure to give everything you want the settings to affect. Make sure to give it an ID of th, I guess. Now everything you want to mix everything you want to be affected by the settings, make sure to give it an ID of th, so that it will be affected by the settings. Since the settings, it only affects anything. The settings we are going to make, it only affects something with the ID of th. So if you make a HTML tag without this ID, then it won't be affected by the settings. And now I'm going to write text size. Lastly, I am going to write text with bg color, background color. Reload. 3 inputs. Now let's add a placeholder to them so that we know what to use them for. In the first one, write text color, copy, paste, and next one, write text size, and the last one, write background color. Save, reload. Now we know what all of them are for. So but if I want the text color to be red and I write red, nothing happens. I'm also going to create a button. With an ID of btn, and the button is going to say change. Oh, stop it, what's happening? It's broken. Reload. Now, if I set the text color to, let's say red, and click on change, nothing happens again. Oh, why does nothing have to happen? This is so, yeah. So now we have to actually give functionality to these things. Go to our JavaScript file and write th equals documents.getElement by ID. Th. I'm going to replace this th with something more sensible, like edit. I'm going to write edit. Copy this and paste it 3 more times. And change this to text underscore size, text underscore color, text underscore color, and lastly bg underscore color. And now change this from editable to text size. txt is short for text, while bg is short for background. Text color, and lastly bg color, background color, bg color. Save. Oh yeah, also get the paste and also write btn equals document.elements by ID. Let me remove the btn. So anyways, we want it so that when we click the button, anything we write in here will, show in the HTML page. So write btn.add event listener and make it to be mouse down, which means when it's pressed. Function E. And now write th.style.color is equal to green. Anyways, th.style.color is equal to text underscore color, text underscore color. No. Text underscore color dot value. Copy this and then change its size to, I'm going to write this text underscore color dot value $sign text underscore color dot value px. This better be dot size is dot font size or text size, and then write th.style dot, and then write document dot body dot style dot background color is equal to bg underscore color dot value reload. I'm going to write red here. No, red. Hate this. Copy the link and then paste the link again. There we go. I'm going to change this to red. Change. Now I'm going to change the background color to gray. Change. Go to text size to like 50. Change. What? Oh. Change the style of font size. Replace this text underscore color that values text underscore size dot value, not color, size. Anyways, 50. Let's say it's 200. Big. Now open up a new tab, right? Lorem ipsum text. Go here. Generate lorem ipsum. I'm going to copy this. Control C. And then paste it. Load. Now you can change the text size. 30. 100. So yeah. Oh yeah, and also we can give things two IDs. I'm going to give this an ID of editable. I'm also going to give it an ID of lorem. So write hashtag lorem. Hashtag lorem. Background color. Let's say gray. Let me change the grayness. And then color is equal to white. What is this? What's happening? Oh, everything's messed up. Oh, what's this? Anyways, let me reload. And nothing happens. Let's see. Save. Reload. Whatever, I'm going to give this a class of lorem. Save. Dot lorem. This is the background color, or this is the color. There we go. Now I can change the background color. Background. Body. Background color is equal to cornflower blue. Make this lighter. And reload. This doesn't really fit. So we're going to make the background color to be gray. Make the background color to be a lighter shade of gray. Make this a bit dark. There we go. Lorem ipsum, whatever. 30. Change. But now we need to style the settings menu. Settings menu is pretty bland and boring, so wrap everything up in a div. /div. Oh, it's already auto completed it for me. I guess that's good, I think. Everything need correct indentation. Give this div a class of settings. And write dot settings. Now, I'm going to write dot settings input. I'm going to give it all the inputs in dot settings a padding of 20 pixels. Reload. And then I'm going to give it a border radius of like 20 pixels also. Reload. And then I am going to give them a border. None. And then I'm going to copy this background color and paste it. How great. Reload. And then I am going to set the what's it called again? Color to white. White. Reload. And I would set the font weight to like 999 to make it extremely bold. Load. And then I'm going to change the font family. Search for Varela Round. Varela Round. Now go to the first thing that shows up. Varela Round. Yeah, I use Varela Round all the time. Search for Railway font. Railway font. Go to Railway Google font. There we go. And now select semi-bold. This one semi-bold semi-bold 600. At import, copy this URL. Paste it in your CSS in VS Code. And then write asterisk. No. Asterisk. Font family. Railway. Comma. Sans serif. Reload. Railway, not rail. What? Railway. Railway. There we go. Lorem ipsum ament. And now for the change button. Right dot settings. Button. Give it a padding of, let's say, 30 pixels. Box shadow. 0, like 1px, 1px, 30px, RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. Reload. Oh yeah, the most important thing, inset. Reload. Let me increase this to 5px. Okay, minus 10px, then minus 5px. As then I'm going to remove the let's say border radius. I'm going to remove the border, none. And then I'm going to add a border radius of 20 pixels. Reload. And then I'm going to set the background color to white. Reload. Oh, it's already white. And I'm going to set the font size to like 20 pixels. Reload. Perfect. And the last, the final touches, dot settings. I'm going to give this entire thing a background color of black. And then I am going to wait. What? Add BR to it. Now I'm going to add BR to it so that they can be on different lines. BR. BR. BR, 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 reload. There we go. So I'm going to increase the lightness of the background color. We'll increase the padding to like 30 pixels. I make this more rounded, give the border radius of 30 pixels. And then the most important thing, box shadow 30 pixels. RGBA 0,0,0,0.5. Yay! And I should make it more clear that this is the settings menu. Settings menu in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now I should make it more clear that this is the settings menu, so I'm going to create a H1. Settings. Style equals text align center. Also going to add this to it. There we go. Text color, yeah. But now you see that if we change the text color, if we change the text size to something like 200, change, you see that only this changes, but this settings text, it doesn't change. That is because this settings text, it doesn't have an ID of editable. Only things with an ID of editable can be changed with the settings menu. So let me give this an ID of editable. Now if I change the text size something like 200, now you see that everything changes. 20, 50. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.